I made $150,000 last month from 3 online businesses, and I need to be honest with you about something. 2 of them took me over 2 years before I saw a single dollar. And the third one made me money in 90 days, but it required money up front that I was terrified to spend. So when you see videos promising that you can start an online business with zero money and get rich quick, they're technically telling the truth, but what they're leaving out is the part where zero money means 2 to 3 years of work before you see a paycheck. And most people cannot wait that long. Now here's what actually matters. There are 3 legitimate business models right now that can get you to 6 figures a year, and I know because I've built all 3 of them. But each one required something different from me at the start. One required money I didn't have. One required time I could not afford to waste. And one required me to put my face on camera when I absolutely hated being on video. Now the question isn't which business is best, it's which sacrifice you're actually willing to make right now. So I'm going to walk you through all 3 models with complete transparency. I'll tell you the real startup costs, the honest timeline to your first dollar, and what it actually feels like to build each one. Because the worst thing you can do is to start the wrong business, realize 6 months in that you can't sustain it, and have to start over from scratch. Now here's how this is going to work. I'm going to show you these 3 business models in reverse order of how long they take to make money. We're starting with the fastest path to cash and then working backwards. Because if you need money in 90 days, you can stop watching after model number 1. And if you can wait longer, keep watching because the patience will pay off. Now business number 1 is selling physical products online through e-commerce. And this is how I made over $100,000 in profit in my first year when my wife was pregnant and wanted to quit her job to become a full-time mom. Now back in 2007, we started selling wedding handkerchiefs online over at bumblebeelinens.com. And today, it is a 7-figure business that we've been running for 18 years. Even though most of our profit comes from our online store, we also sell on Amazon. Now you've probably heard about dropshipping. That's where you never hold inventory and your supplier stores and ships your products directly to customers. I do not recommend this business model. The absolute best way to make real money with e-commerce is to sell your own private label products under your own brand name. Now let me show you how this works. In our store, for example, we sell mother-daughter aprons. You can find a supplier on Alibaba that sells them for under $4 and then sell them for $30 to $40 in the United States. In our store, we often charge even more to have them personalized with a name or initials. All you have to do is reach out to the supplier and tell them what you want, pick fabric patterns, mix and match colors, and create your own custom design. Now here's a common misconception. You do not have to be a designer or understand manufacturing to make your own products. Your suppliers will handle production and packaging, slap your brand on it, and then you sell it at high margins on your own online store, Amazon, or any marketplace. And because it's your creation, it is unique, and that is your competitive advantage. But here's the reality. You're going to need at least $3,000 to start this properly. You'll need to deal with inventory and customer service, so it's not completely passive. But here's why it's worth it. You can make money in 90 days with no audience required. That's exactly how I hit 6 figures in profit in year 1. And looking back, when we had our first $1,000 day 3 months in, my wife cried. Not because of the money, but because it meant her plan to stay home with our baby was actually going to work, and that is the power of fast cash flow. But what if you don't have that kind of money sitting around? Business number 2 costs literally $0 to start, but here's what you are trading away. Business number 2 is becoming a content creator. This is what I wish someone had told me when I started because I wasted time doing it all wrong. A content creator is someone who creates and posts content on a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or social media and makes a living from it. Now I'm a YouTube content creator focused on business content. I also run a top 25 podcast on Apple Podcasts in the marketing category and a top 25 e-commerce blog over at mywifequitherjob.com. And from these channels combined, I personally make well over $1 million per year in profit as a content creator. But here's what almost made me quit in month 3. I had 247 subscribers and was making no money. Both my parents and my friends thought I was crazy. So if you choose this path, you need to know what kept me going when the numbers looked pathetic. Every Tuesday, I'd film a video. Every Wednesday, I'd edit it. And then every Thursday, I'd publish it to silence. For months, my average view count was 47 people. Most of them were probably my mom on repeat. But I kept going because I knew something most people don't understand about content. It compounds. Every video you make is an asset that works with you forever. This video from 2022 has made me over $50,000 and it's still making me money today. The right way to start is to begin by creating short form videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts first. This gives you time to get comfortable on camera without the pressure of producing 10 to 15 minute videos. And once you have experience and feel natural on camera, then transition to long form YouTube videos because that is where the real money is. Now here's the secret. You don't need original ideas. I talk about the same topics as 10,000 other channels, but what's different is my reason. I'm building businesses to spend more time with my kids, and people who want that connect with me. So what's your reason? By the way, if you're interested in learning how to start your own profitable online store, make sure you sign up for my free 6-day e-commerce mini course below. It's 100% free, and I guarantee you'll learn a lot. To get started, pick a topic you can't shut up about. And for me, it's e-commerce because I live it every single day. If you're not sure what content to make, look at other creators in your space and see what videos perform well for them. Put your own spin on their topics and aim to create at least one video per week and then gradually increase your frequency. And I guarantee it, you'll slowly build an audience. And once you have an audience, even a small one, you can make money by promoting products you love, running ads, or selling services and products to your audience. For example, this channel that you're watching right now makes over $100,000 a year on YouTube ads alone. I also mentioned e-commerce tools I personally use to run my store, and whenever someone clicks a link and makes a purchase, I get a commission. Companies sometimes pay me to create sponsored videos as well. Now let's talk about the reality of this model, and here's the hard truth. It takes time to build an audience. It took both my blog and this YouTube channel between 2 and 3 years to make $100,000 in profit. And that's not me being slow, that's just the nature of the model. The advantage though, once it's working, it scales infinitely. I now make over $1 million a year from content alone, but you have to survive those first 2 to 3 years first. And what I love about content creation is that it's extremely beginner friendly. Literally anyone can do it. You don't need any money to start. You get to share your passion with the world, and it's truly rewarding and fun. So e-commerce is fast, but costs money. Content is free, but it takes years. Business number 3 combines both. But there's one thing you must have before you can even start, and most people skip this step and fail right away. Business number 3 is selling digital courses. And here's the catch. You can't start here because you need business number 2 first. I launched my first course in 2011 to an email list of about 1,200 people, and I was terrified. What if nobody bought? What if people thought I was a fraud? But I ended up making over $60,000 in the first week, and my hands were shaking when I saw the numbers. Today, I sell 2 online courses. One is called Profitable Online Store, where I teach e-commerce, and the other is Profitable Audience, where I teach how to make money with content. Both courses have collectively made me over $10 million in revenue, and almost all that is profit. Courses are the natural evolution of content creation. And once you've built an audience by teaching them free content, selling a paid course is the logical next step. And this is why these aren't 3 separate paths, they're actually a progression. The best part is there are little to no upfront costs except for your time and the tools or platforms that you use. And once a course is created, it can be sold repeatedly without additional investment, allowing you to scale it easily. This makes selling online courses highly profitable and low risk for generating income, especially as demand for online learning continues to grow. Now to get started, you need an online platform, and for beginners, I recommend platforms like Teachable, which allow you to upload videos, create your course syllabus, and start selling right away for free. And to promote and sell your class, I recommend running live webinars or workshops. About every month, I conduct a 3-day workshop where I teach the ins and outs of e-commerce, and at the end, I mention my full course. Every time I give one of these workshops, I make at least 5 figures in sales. And the numbers on this model are insane. We are talking about 98% profit margins, and infinite scalability, and 0 inventory. But once again, the catch is that you need an audience first. But once you have a course and an audience to sell to, the sky is the limit. Now, you still with me? Good, because what I'm about to tell you next is where most people choose the wrong model and waste months of their time. So let me make this really simple. If you have $3,000 or more and need money in 3 to 6 months, Start with e-commerce. That's what I did when my wife was pregnant and we needed income fast. We made our first dollar in 3 months and 6 figures in 1 year. Hey, just a quick break because you need to hear this. Now imagine walking into a room with 200 of the best e-commerce sellers in the world. People doing 7 and 8 figures who will actually share their secrets. Well, that's the Seller Summit, my annual e-commerce conference. I handpick every speaker because they're in the trenches right now dealing with the same stuff that you are. No theory, no fluff, just proven playbooks you can steal immediately. And if you're doing over 250K, there's a private mastermind where you'll meet the people who will 10x your business. We've sold out 9 straight years because nothing else comes close. And if you're serious about winning, you need to be there. Go to sellersummit.com. Now, if you have no money, but you're willing to create content consistently for 2 to 3 years, start with content creation. Build the audience and accept that it's a long game, but the payoff is massive. And if you already have an audience from content or social media, launch a digital course and stack those income streams. Here's the strategy that I actually recommend if you're serious about building real wealth. Start with e-commerce to fund your life, then build content on the side to create the long-term asset. That's the strategy that got me to 7 figures across multiple businesses. My e-commerce store paid the bills and gave me financial breathing room. My content built the audience and established authority, and my courses turned that audience into passive income. They all work together as a system. And you don't have to do them sequentially, you can actually overlap them. But understanding the progression helps you make smarter decisions about where to focus your energy. The people who win are the ones who match the business model to their current reality, not to where they wish they were, but where they are actually at right now. So those are the 3 best businesses you can start this year, in my opinion. What you decide to pursue really depends on your budget and your time frame. Now that you understand how I make money, make sure you watch this video next on how to get started with e-commerce the right way.